The winner of the Battle Royal will be able to challenge any champion they choose. Please welcome the entrants for tonight's Battle Royal.
All right, and whoever wins this,
the Violent One, Jeff Klepper. Santiago. The Young Pitbull, Brandon Moore. Blade Gibson. Michael Gabriel. Mr. Excellent. Jordan Cruz. Yellow Man. Sasaki.
Oh, Yellow Man's back.
Captain Kurt Kazana. And Draco. And last but not least, RT3.
And RT3 back out here.
That's pretty soon, right?
He's really got his work cut out for him right now. But again, folks, if RT3 wins this match, he doesn't even get to go for the SOM championship.
But he could go for any other one that he wanted to, right?
He can go for any other title. I guess even if
Wait a minute. Klepper's
out. Klepper's out already.
Jeff Klepper has been eliminated.
No, Judas loves that.
RT3 just put out Klepper. Oh, and Klepper is pissed.
Yellow Man kind of tearing up with the Young Pitbull.
Buddy. Yellow Man. Good old titty twister. Up, and here we go. This is breaking down quick. Oh, Blade Gibson breaks the titty twister. Oh, and gets a little flip, flop, and fly.
That's a little boogie woogie for you.
That is. Sasaki over there on Blade Gibson. Our buddy Mr. Excellent out here with Santiago. AJ Kazana going against Michael Gabriel over there. Now Draco and Sasaki. And
all getting ready.
Santiago and Yellow Man, they're all trying to put out the big man. I guess they didn't eat their Wheaties this week. Mr. Excellent.
And he said he's still reeling after his encounter with the Giant.
Oh, man.
A couple weeks ago.
I would not want to go against that Giant. Oh, Blade Gibson almost on the outside, but pulls himself back in. Of course, the only way to win this match is to be the last man standing. Have to go over the top rope. Both feet have to touch the ground. Yellow Man and Santiago. Michael Gabriel and Draco. Gabriel is on the outside. He's in a dangerous spot right now. Mr. Excellent teeing off on him.
Oh, he's out.
He's not drinking the Kool-Aid. And there goes Santiago.
Santiago has been eliminated.
Shaking the room.
This thing's starting to kind of narrow down a little bit. I mean, from when we started.
Oh, Sasaki. We saw her debut a few weeks back.
Yes, we did. You had the
pleasure. This woman is not scared of any of these guys. Look at that nasty throat chop by her.
Whoa.
Oh, my God. And there they go, going off on the Church of Zion over there. Up. Cruz almost going over, but catches himself. Sasaki throwing Yellow Man over, but he catches himself.
He's still in.
Oh, Sasaki busted him. Oh, and
Yellow Man has been eliminated.
Sasaki with an elimination.
getting close to our time limit here for our TV show. You know, but we'll stay with it as long as we can.
Absolutely.
A lot of action going on here tonight. What a wild show so far. I mean, the whole show. From the beginning to the end. Whoa!
It has been a ridiculous night.
There was a big spear, RT3 on Blade Gibson. But it's in the center of the ring. You have to get him out. You have to toss him over the top of the rope. He's gone.
Blade Gibson has been eliminated.
Blade Gibson. Things not working out for him on this one. Oh my God. The Church of Zion sticking together. These guys are a pretty nasty tag team. Oh, and Kazana sending them both over. Oh! Single-handedly
Michael
takes out the Church
Gabriel
of Zion.
and Jordan Cruz have been eliminated.
Brandon Moore.
Wait, what happened there? He only had one foot on the
I don't know
ground.
about that one.
He's trying to pull a Kofi Kingston.
That's what it looked like to me. Oh, Mr. Excellent versus Sasaki. Draco versus Brandon Moore. Kurt Kazana over there.
Well, we're down to 6. Yeah. Down to 6.
With RT3. Oh, everybody going after Brandon Moore.
And you know here.
Got to get that young pit bull out of there. Oh, Sasaki.
Wait a minute.
And Mr. Excellent. Oh, Mr. Excellent.
He's holding
Oh,
on.
Sasaki's holding on. Oh, but
Sasaki has been eliminated.
So, like I said, our TV time's kind of dwindling down here. You know what? If you come to the Chucky Dome, whenever we go off the air, there's still things that happen here. You know that, I mean, once the cameras turn off, you've been a part of that many times here, live here.
And you know, either way it goes, you can subscribe to us and we'll
see
be
that
able to
content.
show
That's
you
right.
that content.
Wow, there's been some crazy behind-the-scene things that's happened here once the cameras have gone off, but yet we kept the cameras rolling.
Oh,
so you can see
everybody
that.
after Mr. Excellent here.
I think they might got him. They might have him.
Oh, Mr. Excellent,
That's
hold on.
it, yeah,
Oh!
Mr. Excellent has been
Down
eliminated.
to 4, right? All right, so
We are down to the final 4. Kurt Kazana, the young Pitbull, Brandon Moore, RT3, and Draco. Somebody's going to walk out of here with a title shot.
whoa,
Oh, my God.
right out of the gate.
Nasty
Big
spear by RT3. And Kazana is capitalizing.
That's smart.
Brandon Moore has been eliminated.
We are down to a triple threat, folks.
Wouldn't it be something if
Draco,
Kazana,
Kazana, RT3. Oh, Draco going after Kazana. Oh, and he's out of there.
Kurt
Draco just
Kazana
took him
has
out.
been eliminated.
he took his eye off the prize for a second. That's all it takes.
Kurt Kazana,
Here's our final
welcome
2.
to SOM.
Final 2.
Come get some. It is down to our final 2, Draco and RT3, 2 of our mainstays here, and one of these guys is walking out with a title shot.
Well, before we go
Draco, each one of them, or both of them, can go after any title with the exception of RT3, who can't go after our SOM championship because of his stipulations with James Anthony at the Paul Morton
so
Cup.
he could go for the hybrid title if he wanted to, right?
Well, he's already said something about the hybrid title, but he did specifically call out Foshi in that East Tennessee title, so I would only imagine that he would be going for that.
But anything can be game for him, right?
That's it. Even the tag team titles.
I was going to say, he can find a partner and go for that tag, right?
That's it.
Well, believe me, if I know RT3, he'll make lemonade out of lemons. You know what I mean?
That's it.
He'll make it work. He'll make it work somehow.
Fans are behind both of these guys. Oh, RT3 trying to send Draco over. This could be all she wrote for Draco. Nope. Draco rolls back in.
And with it.
And he's back in. It goes after RT3. That could be it for RT3. Oh, my God, RT3.
Great camera work there.
Woo!
Don't get any closer than that, brother.
Great camera work by somebody that's being punished for his transgressions against the family. We got Willie on camera tonight.
I saw that. Judas loved it.
That's why he wouldn't show Sean throughout most of the show.
He's a little biased.
Just a little bit. Oh, RT3 tuning up the band.
Are we going to see another spear?
Waiting for Draco to get up. Oh, it nails him with the spear. But now he's got to get him out. That spear goes no good unless he can get him over that top rope right now.
Yeah, the pinning situation, it doesn't matter here. It doesn't matter at all.
Oh, my God. What a cartel cutter.
But once again, does no good in the middle of the ring. You got to get your opponent over the ropes. Hit the floor. Both
wow,
feet.
that is ridiculous. Draco and RT3. Crowd is just split. Some of them are screaming for both of them.
This place is getting ready to come unglued down here. But now they want to see what's going to happen.
Some of these people are screaming for both of them. Draco almost over the... Oh, and he drags him out. They're both standing out there. This is dangerous territory for both men. Draco and RT3 teeing off on each other.
Scary place. Either one of them can fall.
Oh, my God.
Just feet away.
They are both only one big move away from a title shot of their choice. Oh! Draco with the super kick over with.
Has been eliminated. Your winner, Draco.
Wow, what an ending here tonight.
Wow. That could be Draco versus James Hansen.
That's right.
What a match that would be at Overdrive.
Guys, before we wrap up this show, I'm going to try to get a quick word with Draco here. Draco, if you don't mind, if you'll join me for just a moment. Guys, we're about to go off air here. Sorry, Malik. Bobby Lee, I needed to get a quick word with Draco. Draco, now that you have just won the chance to take on any champion you want, what's it going to be?
Well, anybody I want, right?
Any champion you want.
Well, since it's anybody that I want, and Foshi doesn't want to give me a fair rematch.
Oh, really? Oh, here it comes.
Foshi, I'm coming for you and that East Tennessee Heavyweight Championship once and for all. It's gonna come home. It's gonna come to me. It's gonna come to the greatest. It's gonna come home to nobody else other than Draco. And if you or anybody else thinks that they're gonna stop me, you got another thing coming, because I'm not gonna be done with you, because once I take that belt from you, I'm looking at you, you piece of shit, James Anthony, also.